Happy Wednesday! Today I am bringing you all along with me for a daily vlog. I just woke up, washed my face, brushed my teeth, and now I am using the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Peel wipes, step 1 right now. I use the gentle one. I have upgraded to the clinical strength one too, but that one I don't use as much. I really feel like this does such a nice job in making my skin glow, especially today. It's so gloomy out. I really want my face to feel so good. Today I am first heading to Etobicoke / Mississauga. It's kind of like right in the middle of where the two parts meet. I'm going for a staging consult. I probably won't bring you through the house just because I'll be busy working, but I am then going to Toronto to do a really fun event. It's like a bridal nail event, so I'll get to choose and look at different bridal colors, nail colors, so that I can see if I want to use any of those on my big day, because it's coming up. It's like in less than 3 weeks. I think my wedding invites just arrived at my PO box too, so I'm super excited about that. It is supposed to rain like 30 to 40 mils today, so I'm kind of nervous. I don't like driving in the rain. I mean, I don't get nervous driving in the rain, I just don't like it. But yeah, let me finish my face and we will get going. Hey guys, I am downtown Toronto. I just parked my car. We finished the staging consult probably around 12ish. It is 12:30 now. My appointment is until 1, but I'm gonna probably head there a little early because I need to use the bathroom. That happens when like I drink a liter of water and then like a venti coffee on the drive here. I am also having the worst migraine. I think it's because I've been eating too many gummies. I bought some Coca-Cola gummies and they're so good, but I think like too much chewing action like causes my jaw to get really like stressed and then gives me a migraine. I'm super excited to get my nails done because this is like the first time in 2 weeks that I haven't gotten my nails done like with shellac on like the 2-week mark, and it actually like started peeling. So I think the 2-week mark for the C&D shellac is the perfect time slot for me to go get them redone before it starts peeling. I stopped doing shellac for a long time because I hated the feeling of it being like peeled and like catching on my hair when I shower. And then I stopped doing my nails, and then dip nails became a thing, but they don't have it in Guelph, so I haven't been able to do it since. But yeah, anyways, I haven't eaten today. Again, I am the worst. I'm gonna see if there's another place that I can pick up food before my nails get done, I guess. Yeah, this is what I'm wearing, by the way. I'm wearing my trench, an Everlane sweater, and my Levi's 501 skinnies. I have a very old school aux cord on my lap because I have an old car. But yeah, I'm gonna go out now and I will film maybe. Alright, just finished getting my nails done. I think they are so cute. I got a little cut on my finger though, so hopefully the pictures turn out okay. You can't notice it that much, it's just like if you zoom in on it. I am heading back to Guelph now, and I am... Oh, the truck is really loud, so I don't think you can hear it. I am now heading back to Guelph. I have to go pick up all those packages. I think my wedding invites are actually in the mail. So I'm gonna get those. Maybe I'll show you a little bit of it. And then I have to prepare for tomorrow, catch up on some emails and all that jazz. So let's get going. Alright, it's been like 2 hours now since I started driving. I went to get groceries and pick up some packages. I need to like run to the bathroom because I drank another liter of water and coffee. So BRB, and then I'll show you what I got. Okay, I am exhausted. I tend to get a little overwhelmed when I have to go into the city for the day slash still haven't eaten. I've been eating candy all day and that's why I'm a little jittery. So I got like a little goodie bag from the nail event. I don't know, my hair is a little nuts, but we're just gonna forget about that. So the baggie came with the Sugarfina champagne bears that I was munching on my drive home. Feel like I'm getting a little sugar high. They gave me a Tips nail bar, kind of like gift service cards for another shellac mani. And I got some nail cuticle oil, which is so important because I have really dry nails. So this is what the nails actually look like in some better lighting, if you couldn't see it properly, in the actual salon. And then I got a set of their newest colors for the vinyl wax because it makes more sense. They're not going to give me shellac because like not everyone has like the blue, ultra blue light thing, the light machine. Guys, I need to eat, but I want to finish filming this before Travis gets home and before the light goes. So these are the 4 colors. So this color is called Veiled, which I'm actually wearing on my finger as a base coat in the shellac. This one is called Bouquet. This one is called Forever Yours, which is what I have on the tips of my fingers. And then this one is called White Wedding. So those are all the colors, and then they gave me a top coat as well. So I will probably be doing my nails for a bit after this. Lighting got so dark all of a sudden. Raining a lot outside right now, so that's why the lighting stinks. Okay, so for the exciting part, my wedding invites are in the box right there, along with my stamp slash like monogram stamp, because we're doing wax seal, which reminds me I need to check where the actual wax is because that was supposed to come before. Let's see. Let me just check my orders really quick while I talk to you. I hope this vlog is long enough. I don't know. Oh, it's supposed to arrive today. Okay, so cool. That means I can probably send stuff out this week. Okay, awesome. Let's look at this wax. So my wax seal is from Artisaire, and I'm super excited to see it. I've always dreamed about having my own wax seal, and our wedding invite designer made Trav and I a beautiful logo. It is Gina Carroll who designed it for us. I will be doing a full blog post with the whole invite suite soon, so I'm pretty excited to share her work with you guys. Where is it? It's like such a big box. Oh, there it is. So this is the little pouch that it comes in. How cute. So they gave us a limited edition color Zephyr. Limited edition color is made with 100% recycled wax. Interesting, so if I ever have to wax something, wax seal something blue, then I'm covered. So the pouch also came with some self-adhesive wax seals. Okay, so then they gave us so they actually gave us a sample of our wax seal. We're gonna be using gold wax, but how pretty is this? I am obsessed. So I got the light wood stamper, and then this is what it looks like. I can't even tell. This is what the actual stamp looks like. It's so pretty. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna snap a picture really quickly and send it to Gina. Okay, now for the real big excitement, which is the invites. Let's see. Oh my god. So excited. I literally can't, though. My hands are shaking. Oh my god. And I want to cry, but I'm like so emotional. Okay, it's really pretty. And I don't know why I'm crying, maybe because it's almost my period, I don't know. But they are so pretty. I'm gonna show you the RSVP because I feel like it doesn't have any personal information. It is so pretty. I am so in love. Like, Gina illustrated this. It's so pretty. Wow. Wow, wow. I'm so happy. Even the envelopes are pretty. Sorry guys, I don't know why I'm so emotional. The paper is so pretty. Ugh. It's beautiful. I will show you all the invites after. I don't know. I think I'm gonna wait. I don't think I can show you guys right now just because it's just a little overwhelming and I don't want to spoil like too many secrets. It's just such an overwhelming experience holding them in your hands. Like after looking at them and talking back and forth, like you don't really know until you see it in person because of the paper that we chose. It's a texture, so it doesn't look anything as dramatic and as beautiful as it is in person because the extra texture on the paper is just unbelievable. And the illustration looks so beautiful. Wow, okay, here, let me show you this. I will show you this part. So this is the top of our invite. The date and the time. I will not show you the venue obviously because it's just a little too private, but I am so in love with it. And then I really just want to show you the really pretty detailing that she did on the bottom here. It's so gorgeous. Wow, I did not foresee that being such an emotional experience, but apparently I was a little bit stressed about it, and now that it's all come together and that it looks so beautiful, it kind of like feels like a weight off my shoulders. And apparently I'm still about to cry. So I am going to end this vlog here. I hope that you liked it. I'm going to bring you along tomorrow as well because I have a really fun event that I'm going to go to. I hope you're enjoying day 2 of the May days and that you liked the what I wore video yesterday. So like this video if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you tomorrow.